Today, we're going to show you how to clean your shower door with the AquaGlideXP Maintain Spray by Basco. This spray is a safe and environmentally friendly water-based cleaner that dissolves and lifts oily grime and dirt for a quick wash without water. Maintain refreshes the protective performance for glass factory treated with AquaGlideXP or treated at home with the AquaGlideXP kit. Regardless if you had AquaGlideXP applied at the factory or opted to use the home kit, this spray cleaner will enhance the durability and performance of the protection when used for deeper cleaning. You'll just need a microfiber cloth to wipe off the cleaner. Once you have your microfiber cloth and Maintain spray, you're ready to get started. Simply spray the Maintain spray generously onto the shower door, concentrating on any hard water spots. Most stains on factory-applied AquaGlideXP glass wipe away with Maintain. Spray to loosen soil deposits and buff dry with a microfiber cloth. To maintain the AquaGlideXP original finish indefinitely, use Maintain rather than cleaners or harsh chemical products. Each application builds on the original coating for even more protection. Please note, wiping down your shower doors after use is recommended to maintain the best results. For more information, visit bascoshowerdoor.com or call 1-800-45-BASCO.